next experiment, we are going to learn next two configurations, that is common drain and common gate. So here is the diagram for common drain amplifier. The difference between previous circuit and this circuit is that input is applied to gate but output is taken from source instead of drain. This is also called as common source configuration. So when we give input to the gate and instead of drain, now we are taking the output from source, and this is the input output waveform. This is input and below that is output. So clearly we can see that output is reduced. The output wave, the amplitude of output is 0.6 into multiplier, which is 0.5. So output we are getting here as 0.3 volts, whereas input applied is 0.5. So AV, the voltage gain for CD amplifier right now is 0.3 upon 0.5, which is 0.6. So always for CD amplifier we get here voltage gain which is less than 1. Now for calculation of input impedance Ri, that means for calculating V1, we are doing modification like this. We are inserting a resistance of value 10 mega ohm in series with input signal, and again we are going to observe output from source. So here is the circuit where we have inserted this 10 mega ohm in series with the input signal and gate terminal, and output we have observed from source. So here is the input output waveform. Now as you can see here, the pointer for this output waveform is set at value 0.1, and here amplitude is also almost 0.1. So we can say V1 for CD amplifier we are getting as 0.1. Now this is the circuit for measurement of output impedance RO, or to measure V2. So as before we have removed the 10 mega ohm from the input, and now we have placed RL whose value is 100 ohm at the output, and the circuit is like this. Input is directly given, whereas RL of 100 ohm is inserted at the output. The corresponding waveform is like this. So here approximately if we measure output we are getting as 0.12 volts. The next configuration is CG, that is common gate amplifier. For CG amplifier we are applying input directly to the source, and output we are measuring from drain. So here is the connection. Here we have applied input voltage to source, and output we have taken from opposite terminal, that is drain. The waveforms of input and output are as shown here. So this one is input which is set at 0.5 volts, and output we are getting here again as approximately 3.6 volts. For measurement of input impedance Ri, we are inserting 100 ohm in series with input source. So here in series with input I have put 100 ohm resistor, and then it is applied to the source. As before we are measuring output from drain terminal, and the corresponding output voltage is like this. So the amplitude of output, that is V1 in this case, is 2 into 1, that is 2 volts. So V1 is 2 volts. Now to measure output impedance, we are connecting RL of value 1K at the output. So here We have removed previous 100 ohm resistors and now we have inserted RL of 1K between output terminal and ground. The corresponding output waveform is here. So it is similar to input, and the height is, means there is no phase shift now for CG amplifier. There is no phase shift between input and output, and the amplitude of this output signal is 1 into pointer here is 1, so it is 1 into 1 volt. So V2 for CG amplifier is 1 volt. So basically we have observed that the phase difference for CS was 180, CD was 180, and here there is no phase difference. For CG the phase difference is 0. Now after taking calculations, after taking the readings for VO, V1 and V2, here are the example calculations for CG amplifier. So recently we have performed CG amplifier and we have noted down VO 3.6 volt, V1 2 and V2 1 volt. So the voltage gain AV is calculated as ratio of VO upon Vin, that is 3.6 upon 0.5, that is 7.2. For Ri, the formula is V1 upon VO minus V1 into Rs dash. V1 2 volt, VO from previous thing is 3.6. So if you put that value and Rs dash was 100, so we are getting Ri 125 ohm. Similarly, for calculation of RO, the formula is VO minus V2 upon V2 into RL. V2 we have measured is 1 volt and VO was 3.6. So when you put up all these values, you are getting the final answer for output impedance as 2.6 kilo ohm, which is matching with our RD value. So if you compare CS, CG and CD amplifier, we get for CG configuration the lowest input impedance. So here in this case the lowest input impedance we got here for CG and its value is 125 ohm. Similarly, if you do calculations for CD amplifier, you will observe that for CD amplifier we get the lowest value of output impedance, and that is also approximately between 100 to 200 ohm. So like this we have performed here now CD, common drain, which is also called as source follower, and common gate configuration amplifier. So finally we will make a comparison table and compare all the parameters, that is AV, RI, RO for three configurations, that is CS, CG and CD.